Hello everyone, I hope that you are having a great day. Today I wanted to show you how I make my own glitter paper to make these beautiful glitter flowers. To get started in this project, you will need some disposable cups so that you can throw them away later. I'm using these cups that I got at Smart and Final. I don't remember how much I paid, but they're not that expensive. And I will also be using the Recollections 60-pound paper in pink glitter that matches the color of the cardstock that I am using, a palette knife, and then some gloss gel. Any gloss gel will do. I got this one on sale, and this is what I will be using for this project. You can also use Elmer's Dry Clear Glue. Okay, to get started, I'm gonna pour some of the gloss gel into the cup. And I'm gonna add as much glitter as I think I'm gonna need for this project. Try to do it as even as possible and to cover as much as you can. Okay, I'm back. I will now be using the Elmer's multi-purpose glue that dries clear. Now let me add Elmer's glue. One, two, three, four. I'm gonna do 5 with this one just because I don't remember how much I apply on the first one. And let's mix it in. Okay guys, I am back with my third piece of cardstock, and I will now be using the Elmer's clear glue. I'm using the same container as before. Okay, I think that's good enough. I will go ahead and clean this up, and I will be back once they dried up. Okay, so before I come back after they are dry, I will go ahead and add a little note so that I can show you guys what the difference is between all three of them. So this one is Elmer's, I'm just gonna initial them, Elmer's clear glue. Okay, this one is the Elmer's multi-purpose. Okay, and this one was done with the gel medium. And this will take a bit to dry, so I will be back and show you how they look once dry. Guys, I'm back. The gel and the glue has now dried, and I'm going to show you the results that you get. This is with the Elmer's clear glue. And as you can tell, it does not come off. This one is with the gel gloss. Doesn't come off. And this is with the Elmer's multi-purpose glue. It doesn't come off. And this is the one that look white. The Elmer's multi-purpose glue, I can tell that it looks a little bit more like a matte finish. The Elmer's clear glue looks really shiny. Actually, it looks more shiny than the gel. The texture feels the same for all three of them, and they are not sticky. As you can tell, the difference is not that much. Thank you guys for joining me. I will be doing a part 2 and showing you how they look once they are cut out